Good morning, everybody. My name is Umair Mutwalli, physical education teacher of Marina English High School, Verna. Today, I like to stress on fixed forward head posture. What do you mean by fixed forward head posture? Nowadays, during these COVID times, everybody tend to use a mobile phone or laptops or tend to watch TV for a long period of time. And in that, what they do is they lean forward. When they lean forward, there is 4 to 5 kgs weight on the neck muscles. When they still use it for a little more longer and they tend to watch the TV or work on the laptop for a little more longer, the weight exceeds from 20 to 25 kgs on their neck because they're leaning forward. Now, how do we fix this? To fix this, you should always remember that the ears should be in line with the shoulders. To fix this problem, we need to do some simple exercises, and if we do it regularly, we will solve the problem. First exercise is chin tucks. What do we do in chin tucks? In chin tucks, we tend to take our chin little behind in line with the chest. You take it back till there is a resistance from the behind. The chair gives a little resistance. Now you try to push it with the hands and bring in front. Again, front. Now you can do it without the hands. Just take it back, front, back, front. But remember one thing, the chin should be parallel to the floor. It cannot be down, it cannot be up. That is the chin tuck. So you can do it any number of times whenever you are free during the day. It can be 4 to 5 times at one time. So you can do it throughout the day whenever you are free. Just come back, front, back. Exercise here is the head and hand opposition. What we do here is we entangle our fingers, put it behind the head. Now we tend to use the resistance of the chair and we try to take the elbows closer to each other. Again take it back. Now there is resistance. You try to see that you are putting some force and trying to hold the elbows touching each other and come back. Press, come back. Now what you do is the next exercise here is you have to see that when you are doing just entangle, try to hold it here and try to press the head down. When you are trying to press the head down, see that you are pressing the chin upward. So both the ends of the head are providing resistance. Resistance. Just watch. I am pressing the head down, but I am pressing my chin up here. Change. You can do it 4 to 5 times, but you can do it throughout. Same. The next thing, what we do here is, we try to push our head upward and provide a resistance from the top of the head downwards. So I am pressing up, but I am trying to bring my head down. So I am providing resistance for that. A little bit of force. Mildly hold. Change. Now, next exercise, the third one in this is, what you do is, you tend to take the head 45 degrees. 45 degrees, but back. Now the chair is providing the resistance. Now I take my head 45 degrees back, up, and now I am pressing back. Press back. So this is the sternocleidomastoid muscle. This muscle is the sternocleidomastoid. So this muscle is being stretched. Again I come in front. I lean back 45 degrees on the other side and press it up. Again I come in front. I go on the other side. Press. Again I come in front. Ears in line with the shoulders always. Chin up. Again I go on the other side. 45 degrees, place it. Take it back and stretch. Now what I do here is, I just take my head 45 first. This is 90. 90. This is down there. And here in the middle I am 45. I just take my head back. So this is the sternocleidomastoid muscle, which is very, very important. The next exercise is shoulder interaction. Now what we do here? We just hold the shoulders, elbows at the, extend the elbows at the side, and we try to do this. Do it any number of times. 4 to 5 times, take a break. But throughout the day you can do it any number of times. Next in this is here, just turn, come down. Now see, the palms are facing down, close the fist. Now try to lift it up. The palms facing yourself. Now just you have to turn like this. Here. 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 This you can do 4 to 5 times. Then wait. But continue it throughout the day whenever you get time. All these exercises are connected to each other. So whenever you get time, tend to do it. Now next, just stand up. Face back here. Here. You come here. Try to take the elbows closer to each other. How close can you take? So there is resistance between your backbone. There is quite a big resistance that will force you to put your own power and weight there. Stretch. Come on. Stretch. Stretch. Come on. So when you're stretching, just tend to hold there for some seconds. So that gives you that much stretch and relaxation for the back muscles. The last one is trapezius engagements. I mean to say a Y-shape exercise. A simple words, Y-shape exercise. Now what we do is we stand straight, chin in line with the shoulders, ears also in line with the shoulders. Okay, tend to just tuck the chin behind little, and now you raise the hands up in Y shape. Elbows straight. Try to create some resistance between your palms and your body. After some time, bring it down. Now, same Y shape, try to do it down. Yeah. Palms facing in front. Hold. Again take a rest. Again go up. Y shape. Palms facing up. Elbows straight. Again take rest. Palms facing down. Hands down, Y shape. Remember one thing. Your chin should be tucked behind and your ears should be in line with the shoulders always during all the exercises. So with this, we will come back to a good posture and try to work on the fixed forward head posture and try to improve our posture and personality. Thanking you and hope you are going to do these exercises for a better posture 4 to 5 times at a time, and then continue it throughout the day whenever you are free. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it and liked it. Thanks a lot.